In 2009, a quiet boy named Arjun felt afraid to speak English. He lived in a small town near Pune, India. His school was simple. His classroom was crowded. His English book was old. Today, Arjun speaks English with confidence. Today, Arjun teaches others to believe in themselves. This is not a story about talent. This is a story about change. Imagine sitting in class and staying silent every day. You know the answer, but you cannot speak. Your heart beats fast. Your face feels hot. This was Aryan's life at age 14. He felt small. He felt invisible. But one decision changed everything. One small step started a big journey. This story will teach you how confidence grows step by step. The story begins in 2009 in a small town near Pune, India. The town had narrow roads and simple houses. Most families worked hard every day. English was not spoken at home. English was only a school subject. At that time, English meant opportunity. English meant better jobs and better futures. But for many students, English also meant fear of mistakes, fear of laughter. The boy's full name was Arjun Patil. He was born in 1995. His father worked in a local shop. His mother stayed at home and cared for the family. Arjun was polite and kind. He listened more than he spoke. He loved drawing and quiet games. In class, Arjun sat in the back. He did not raise his hand, not because he was lazy, but because he was afraid. He was ordinary. He was not special yet. Aryan's family did not have much money. Books were shared with friends. Extra classes were impossible. At school, teachers spoke English fast. Lessons moved quickly. Arjun felt lost. His marks were average. His confidence was low. Confidence means belief in yourself. Arjun did not have that belief yet. One day, Arjun saw a senior student speak English on stage. The hall was quiet. Everyone listened. Arjun felt something new. He felt a dream. He wanted to speak like that. He wanted to feel strong, not scared. But fear stood in the way. Fear of mistakes. Fear of being wrong. That night, Arjun made a quiet promise. "I will try," he said. This moment changed his direction. Arjun started small. He read one English paragraph each day. He did not understand everything. Sometimes he stopped after one page. Sometimes he closed the book in frustration. Frustration means feeling upset and tired of trying. Arjun felt frustration often. In class, he tried to speak once. His voice shook. Other students laughed. That day, he felt deep pain, but he also learned something important. Mistakes did not end his life. The day continued, the sun still set, but Arjun didn't give up. Instead, he decided to practice alone.
Day after day, Arjun worked on small skills. He listened to English radio at night. He repeated simple sentences. Repeat means to say again and again. Arjun repeated words many times. He learned 5 new words each week. He wrote them on paper. He read them aloud. Slowly, he noticed change. Sentences felt easier. Sounds felt clearer. He was still not confident, but he was improving. Improving means getting better little by little. Arjun gave up free time. He stopped playing games in the evening. His friends went out. Arjun stayed home with his book. Sometimes he felt lonely. Sometimes he wanted to quit. Quit means stop trying. Arjun thought about quitting many times, but he remembered his dream. He remembered that student on stage. There were moments when Arjun wanted to quit, but then he remembered why he started. One day, a new teacher joined the school. Her name was Ms. Rowe. She spoke slowly. She smiled often. She asked Arjun to read aloud. He was afraid, but Ms. Rowe waited. She did not rush him. Arjun read. He made mistakes. Ms. Rowe said, "Good try." Those two words mattered. From this moment, things began to change. Months later, Arjun raised his hand again. This time, his voice was steady. He answered a question in English. The class listened. No laughter came, only silence. His teacher nodded. His heart felt light. This was his first victory. Small, but powerful. Victory means success after effort. Arjun tasted victory for the first time.
Arjun used this confidence. He joined the English club. He spoke once a week, then twice. He helped classmates with words. Helping others made him stronger. Strength grew inside him. Strength means power, not of muscles, but of mind. During exams, pressure returned. Arjun felt fear again. Fear never disappears forever, it returns to test us. Arjun studied calmly. He used simple sentences. He passed with good marks, not perfect, but honest. In 2014, Arjun spoke at school assembly. He spoke for 5 minutes. 5 minutes that changed his life. Students clapped, teachers smiled. Arjun stood tall. Confidence filled his voice. He was no longer invisible today. Arjun helps young learners. He teaches English with patience. His story lives in others. His confidence spreads forward first. Arjun taught us that small steps create big change. He read one page, then another second. Arjun showed that mistakes help learning. Every mistake gave him knowledge. Mistakes are not enemies. They are guides. Third, confidence grows with action. It does not appear suddenly. Arjun practiced. Confidence followed. Application to English learning. Just like Arjun learned English step by step, you can too. You may feel shy. That is normal. Practice daily. Speak slowly. Accept mistakes. Your confidence will grow. Life wisdom beyond English. This story is not only about language. It is about belief. Belief changes lives. Belief opens doors. Arjun's life changed because he tried, not because he was perfect. Today, he stands confident. The world hears his voice. You listened until the end. You learned English through a story. That itself is progress. That itself is success. Thank you for learning today. More stories are waiting for you. Keep learning. Keep growing. See you in the next story.